How to use the RGB Parade and Vectorscope in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and load the video clip you want to analyze and color grade. Next, go to View and from there select Scopes and tick the Vectorscope option. Then the Vectorscope panel will open next to the project monitor. This scope helps you visualize the hue and saturation levels in your video. It's especially useful for checking skin tones and making sure your colors are not overly saturated or off balance. To activate the RGB Parade, go to the Scopes menu and select RGB Parade. It will display three separate graphs representing the red, green, and blue channels of your video. This allows you to spot imbalances between the color channels and help with accurate color correction. As you apply color grading effect like curves or color balance, keep an eye on the scopes. The RGB Parade lets you monitor exposure and channel levels, while the Vectorscope shows how your color changes affect overall hue and saturation. Now you know how to use the RGB Parade and Vectorscope in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.